Okay, good morning, everyone. So, as promised, I'll be here recording the steps on how to use the image software. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to download the ImageJ from the internet. It is free, and once you have downloaded it, it will be in a zipped file. So, once you have the zipped file, you have to extract all the data from that file, and it will look like this. So, inside you will have the ImageJ. You don't need to install the software because no, you just have to click it once it's downloaded. So this is how it looks like. This is the icon for your image tree. So once you have it, you open it so we can start doing the analysis. Okay, so you can open the image directly using this file tab here in ImageJ, file open, and you have to look where these files are. So for example this, and you click open, or you can just directly drag your photo to ImageJ and will it be open. So once you have this photo open, now this would be the time that we are going to calibrate. So for precise calibration, so it would be good if you zoom in for your photo with the calibration scale. So in this case we have the ruler, so I'm going to zoom in the ruler because we'll be using this for calibration. Now we know that the 1 inch in your ruler is equivalent to 2.54, so we are going to make that line to set the calibration. So first you go here to the line, you make the line so from 9 to 10, so make sure that your line is not crooked, and you go to, once you have the line, you go to analyze, set scale. So that line in terms of pixels, it's about 76.37. So since we know the distance, so this is about 2.54, and the unit is in cm. So you just have to click OK to set the scale. Now, so when you want to control zoom your photo, you just have to click Control plus plus. But since we want to we want to zoom out now because no, we want to process the image further. So Control minus minus for zooming out. Okay, so if you have noticed in publications, we have this what we call the scale bar. The scale bar. Okay, wait. So we have this what we call the scale bar, which will tell you that this size is about this. So you can also do that in ImageJ. Here, the same analyze type, you go to tools and you set scale bar. Now for the scale bar, so here you can set if the length of your line is 5 cm to 2 cm. So in this case, let's try 5 cm, and the height is 1. Then the font is 20, so it would be bigger, and the location is at the lower right portion of your image, and just click OK. So let's check if we have the, so yes, we have the calibration scale here in your image. Now since we have that, it would be the time for us to measure. Now based on the photo that we have, we cannot measure the total length for the samples because the tail for the other sample is missing. But we can do the standard length. Okay, the same, you just have to go here to the line and click. So the standard length is from the tip of the snout to the end of the caudal peduncle. Now make sure that your line again is straight, not crooked, not diagonal, to have precise measurement. So once you have the line, you go to analyze and click measure, and then this measure tab or the results will pop out. So actually there is a shortcut for measuring, so you don't have to go to analyze. Okay, so I'll show you that here in the second specimen. So from tip of the snout to the tip of the caudal peduncle. Then release your mouse after making the line. And to measure, you just have to press your keys Control M. And then you will have the measurement here in the tab. Now, you don't need to copy this because it can be saved as an Excel file, but the extension is CSV, not XLS. But it's okay because you can still process that document. So you just have to go to Save As, and then, so for example, we want this as the file name, sample measurement ImageJ, and save it. So here, so in the file or folder where I have those data, so I now have a file for the measurement. And this is how it looks like. So from there, from here, so you can process all your length data to get that average. So this is all. It's very easy, and for those who will be doing a lot of measurement, for example, in your thesis, you can use this ImageJ processing software. That's it. Have a good day, guys.